Welcome to Danny's DIY. In this episode we're going to talk about the snips and the vice grips. A snips has a very pointy tip up here and a V groove here in the middle. The V groove will be facing upwards for most of your cuts. A snips can cut many materials including cables and cable ties and light metals. We're just going to do a demonstration here of cutting a cable tie and a cable. So here's the cable tie and we're just going to put it in and squeeze the handles of the snips. And here's our cable and we're going to just put it in there, squeeze the handles and it snips it off. That's pretty much all the snips can do. On the other hand here we have our vice grips, which is like a little clamp. It has teeth up here for grip. It has an adjustment screw here which when you turn it left opens the clamp and right it tightens the clamp. This lever here on this particular model you push it inwards to release, but on the other model I have here beside me you push it outwards to release. So we're just going to do a little demonstration here with the small one on pulling out this nail out of this block of timber. So we're just going to grab our vice grips and clamp it around it and pull it straight up and out. Then of course use our little lever here to release and our nail just drops out. So that's pretty much all a vice grips does as well. It can obviously grip many other materials except nails, but that's pretty much all it does. It grips materials. So I hope that you learned something from this video, and if you did, it'd be great if you could drop a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.